Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the sales manager here at KTM Motorcycles. We are the premier dealer in Lancashire and the North West for KTM. We've been dealing KTM now for quite a few years. We truly believe that the Duke 125 is the best premium 125cc bike on the market. You know, it is an entry-level bike, but it's not your average cheap 125. It's a very, very high quality product. The single-cylinder engine makes just the right amount of power for A1 licence holders, so that's your learner legal riders. The ultra-lightweight chassis uses high-performance upside-down forks and preload adjustable shock absorber from WP suspension. The bike has lightweight 17-inch cast wheels with bi-brake braking system, full LED lights and a top-quality full-colour TFT dash. To complete the package, it comes fully equipped with dual-channel ABS to keep you safe on your journey. When we were given the budget by KTM for the build, we knew exactly what to do with it. Thanks to KTM's extensive list of power parts, I was able to come up with a list of parts which I felt would fit just right on the bike and make it unique. So to start with, we are going to be fitting a orange handguard kit to the bike. It not only finishes the front of the bike off really well, they do suit the handguards, but it will create protection for the rider. We'll also be fitting a orange crossbar kit, which is colour coded to the actual frame colour of the bike as well. A couple of KTM's CNC cut orange anodised parts, which will add a nice flare to the bike, so we'll be adding a brake fluid reservoir cap, as well as a factory oil filter cover, as well as a anodised orange rear sprocket made by SPROCKET. We'll also be adding a genuine KTM tank pad to protect the tank, as well as a fuel tank cap sticker to finish the tank off with a bit of style. The last part we'll be adding is a genuine KTM fly screen that will not only deflect the wind away from the rider, but keep the flies off the dash. In the next episode, you'll see our 125 Duke make its way down to the workshop, where our factory trained technicians will not only PDI the bike for road use, but fit all the power parts we've discussed. We are going to make it as fun and as interesting for you as we can, and hope you look forward to it.